Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making this quick and easy yet delicious honey bourbon sriracha pork chops. So easy, y'all. I can't wait to show you guys how it's done. If you would like to see it, keep on watching. Give the video a like if you enjoy it. Without further ado, let's jump right into the recipe. Alright guys, let's get started. I have 2 thinly sliced bone-in pork chops here. You will need 1 tablespoon of olive oil, also 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter. Here we have 3 tablespoons of chicken broth. Here I have parsley, about 1 tablespoon. Also I have 1 tablespoon of Creole seasoning. Here we have about 2 tablespoons of sriracha sauce, okay? Over here we have 2 tablespoons of honey as well. And back there you seeing a honey bourbon marinade. That's what we're going to use for this recipe. And also guys, this video is sponsored by Kosh System. They send me these amazing pots and pans to test out, to let you guys know how I like them. And let me tell you, I've always wanted these non-stick pots, and finally I got my hands on them. And these pots are so easy to cook with, you guys. They're non-stick, they will not burn your food, and cleaning is a breeze, y'all. It's my first time cooking with them. I must say I love them. They also come with stainless steel handle. That means they won't get rusty, and you can make anything in these, like frying, sauteing, boiling anything, stew. And also you can pop them in the oven, y'all. I forgot to mention, you can pop them in the oven. That's the best part. Check the description box below. You will see me cooking with these a lot because they're just the perfect pot to cook with. Now I am going to start by adding a little bit of olive oil on the pork chops. Then we're going to add our seasoning. For the seasoning, I'm using Creole seasoning, but y'all, the marinade is what's going to give this pork chops lots of flavor. So we're going to add the Creole seasoning, then brush it out with our brush, flip it over, and season the other side. Now I'm going to add the honey bourbon marinade on the pork chops, about 4 tablespoons, okay? Just add it on there and use your brush or your hands to spread it out. You can even use a spoon if you like. Now we're going to cook the pork chops. Because the pork chops are very thin, we're going to cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side. All right. Now in our non-stick spray skillet, we're going to add the butter, of course. Once that is nice and melted, we're going to add the pork chops in. Once we have a nice golden brown color on one side, we're going to flip it over and cook the other side. Once it's done, y'all, look how beautiful and golden brown this came out. Oh my god, that's what's good about using a non-stick skillet. It's just come out so pretty and it didn't burn it. Now here I have the butter. I just melted 1 tablespoon of butter. I'm going to add my honey, and also we're going to add in the sriracha sauce. Now I went ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce. That's another option if you don't want to use the honey bourbon, or if you don't have it, you can also use barbecue sauce. So I went ahead to add the barbecue sauce and stir it together and add the chicken broth. Okay, we're going to stir it until we form a nice sauce for this pork chop. All right, now we have our sauce simmering. We're going to add our parsley right in, and next we're going to add our pork chops right in there, y'all. Look how gorgeous these looks. Now all you have to do is take your sauce and just pour it over your pork chops. Just base it with the sauce. And y'all, look how beautiful these pork chops came out. They were cooked to perfection, especially by using the non-stick pan. It was just perfect, y'all. Try this out. Let me know how you guys like it. And if you guys are interested on these non-stick cookware, I will leave the Amazon store link down below for you guys. You gotta have these. Trust me, they work. You're gonna see me cooking on them a lot because I love how they cook my food. And thank you for watching, guys. You will see me soon on the next video. Bye guys.